Good morning students. I hope you all are well. Students, today we are going to continue topic of lesson number 6. So topic is pen block. So pen blocks are the green color coded blocks that control the pen. Yes, these blocks are in green color. So these blocks are used to draw a trail as the sprite move on the stage. Yes, these blocks will draw trail. Trail means it will draw lines. So each pen color has different shades that vary from the lightest to the darkest. Yes, pen color has different shades from the light color to the dark color. So the pen shades varies from 0 to 100. That is 0 is for the darkest shade and 100 is for the lightest shade. Yes, any shade we can choose from 0 to 100 number. So now we have blocks that comes under pen block and its usage. So firstly we have clear block. This block is used to remove all marks made by pen or stamps. Yes, this block we will use to remove all types of marks, to clear all type of stamps. Next we have pen down. This block will make the sprite continuously draw a trail wherever it moves. Yes, this block will continuously draw lines or trails. Yes, next we have pen up. This block put the sprite's pen up. Means if we have used this pen up block, then nothing we can draw on the stage. Next we have set pen color to 0. Yes, set pen color to any specified amount. So any color we can specify here. Next is change pen color by 10. Means by 10 values we want to change the color of the pen. That we can choose, that we can give with the help of change pen color by specified amount. Next we have set pen color to any specified amount. Change pen shade by 10. If we want to change the shade of the pen, then we can specify amount, for how many amount it will change. Next is set pen shade to 50. This will set pen shade to the 50 value. Next is change pen size by 1. If we want to change the pen size according to this specified amount, that we can give. Next is set pen size to 1. This block set the pen's size to the specified value. Yes, according to this value it will specify pen size. It will set pen size. So after this we have topic making a duplicate copy of sprite. How to use different duplicate copies of the existing sprite. So to create a duplicate copy of the sprite, the stamp block is used. Yes, to create duplicate copy we have to use the stamp block. So now we are going to read steps how to create duplicate copy of the sprite. So drag out the blocks from the motion and pen block palette as shown in the figure, and snap the blocks together onto the script area. Means they are saying we have to use these all blocks to create a duplicate copy. Next is change the values of the block as given in the figure 6.18. So click on any of the block to create the duplicate copy of the sprite. Notice as the sprite reaches to the edge of the stage, it will bounce back and change its direction. Yes, if we want to run this script, then we can click on any block. Yes, on any block we can click. So after that it will run script, and whenever all sprites will end. Yes, जब सभी sprite हैं जो हम duplicate copy बना रहे हैं वो end screen के end पे पहुंचेंगी, then it will bounce back. Yes, वो वापस आएंगी. You can see in this picture. पहले वो इस side right direction में move कर रही है, and after reaching to the end of the screen they are coming back. Yes, so it will bounce back and change will direction. So if we have to use, if we want to create duplicate copy, then we have to use these all blocks. Stamp block, then move 50 steps, then pen down, change pen color, set pen size, and if on edge, bounce. So next we have sound blocks. So these are pink color coded blocks that control sound functions. The sound block provide different blocks. Music to our Scratch project. There are 13 sound blocks available in Scratch. Sound can be added to a Scratch project in 3 ways. choose sound from the library, record new sound and upload sound from a file. So as they have given, these all blocks are in pink color. Yes, total 13 sound blocks are available, and in 3 ways we can use sound. Yes, we can create sound from library, we can record new sound, and we can upload sound from anywhere. So next is blocks that comes under sound block and after its usage. So firstly we have play sound, meow. Yes, if we want that our sprite will say will play sound meow, then we can use this block, play sound meow. Any sound we can select from here. So this block play a specific sound without pausing the script. Next is play sound meow until done. Yes, जब तक डन नहीं हो रहा है तब तक वो प्ले करे साउंड meow. So this block play the specified sound, pausing the script until the sound has finished playing. Next is stop all sounds. Yes, if we want to stop all type of sounds, then we can use this stop block. Next we have play drum 1 for 0.25 beats. So this block will play drum sound for the specified number of beats. Yes, beats we can also give and value we can also give for drum. Next is rest for 0.25 beats. मीन्स अगर हमने रेस्ट करवानी है कि हमारी साउंड कुछ पर्टिकुलर बीट्स के लिए रेस्ट पे जाए, देन वी कैन यूज दिस. नेक्स्ट इज प्ले नोट 60 फॉर 0.5 बीट्स. प्ले नोट. Yes, if we want to give any type of note to any instrument, from any instrument, then we can use play note. Set instrument to 1. This block set the instrument to the specified one. Any instrument value we can choose from here. Next is change value by -10. So how we can change volume by -10? Means any value we can give and according to that volume of the sound will change. Next is set volume to 100%. So this block set the sprite's volume to the specified amount. इसकी हेल्प से क्या होगा, हमारी वॉल्यूम है वो कुछ स्पेसिफाइड अमाउंट पे सेट होगी. सो नाउ वी आर गिविंग हियर वैल्यू 100%. मीन्स हमारी वॉल्यूम है वो फुल है, 100% है. So now your chapter lesson 6 fully done, students. Take care, students. Have a nice day. Goodbye.